Hey everyone! Welcome back to FixMyPhone Labs. Today we're fixing a super common issue. Your iPhone 15 Pro Max speaker sounding distorted, muffled, or crackly after coming into contact with water. Maybe it got splashed in the shower. Maybe it fell into the sink for a second, or maybe it just caught some rain, and now the sound is terrible. Don't worry, this is almost always fixable, and in this video I'll walk you through a quick but effective repair that actually works without wasting your time. Let's get straight into it. First, don't panic. A distorted or buzzing speaker usually means water is physically trapped behind the speaker mesh. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is water-resistant, not waterproof, so even small drops can get inside. The good news is, we can force that water out. Step 1. Open Water-ejection.com. This site plays a calibrated 165 Hz to 200 Hz sweep frequency designed to push water out of the speaker chamber safely. Make sure your phone is on maximum volume, lay it flat with the screen facing up, and let the tone run for at least 30 to 45 seconds. If the sound improves even slightly, that means water is still inside, so run it again. Step 2. Dry the phone the right way. Do not use a hair dryer, and do not put the phone in rice. Instead, place the phone upright with the bottom speaker facing downward and just leave it at room temperature for 20 to 30 minutes. This helps moisture evaporate naturally without damaging internal seals. Step 3. Reset the sound path, which is an underrated but very effective trick. Go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, then Headphone Safety, and turn Reduce Loud Sounds off. After that, go to Settings, Accessibility, Audio/Visual, and make sure the audio balance is centered. Now play any normal song at full volume for 10 seconds. This helps reseat the speaker diaphragm. Step 4. Test both speakers. The iPhone 15 Pro Max uses a bottom speaker and a top earpiece speaker, and sometimes only one side is affected. Play a stereo test video and check if both sides sound balanced. If the top speaker is still buzzing, run the water ejection tone again, and angle the phone so the top grill faces downward. If everything sounds clean afterward, you're done. If the sound is still distorted after 2 to 3 hours, then the water may have reached the acoustic chamber or damaged the mesh, and you might need a professional cleaning, but in 90% of cases, these steps fix the issue completely. As a final tip, anytime your iPhone touches water, showers, pools, rain, or even sweat, run a water eject tone immediately. It prevents long-term speaker damage and keeps your audio crisp. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching FixMyPhone Labs, and I'll see you in the next repair guide.